Good morning, one and all. It's a Sunday morning. We thought we'd drive into Evesham, just walking along the river. We've already found our first geocache, of course, and now we're just going to enjoy a nice walk. Caravan site right next to the river. Sunshine has definitely brought people out. Though I've got to say this morning, can't make his mind up. Threats of thunder. Evesham town centre on a Sunday morning. Very quiet. Being in June 2020 probably doesn't help either. As of tomorrow, the shops are supposed to be reopening, so this will look very different tomorrow morning, I can imagine. We've done a circular walk around Evesham, so we walked along the river, came up around the town, and now we're heading back to the river. People still turning up for the picnics by the river. And we have had a lovely little walk. As always, thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and join us on another mini walking vlog. See you on the next one.